Real estate does not always appreciate. It's true. Most people believe that real estate will always appreciate in value. Just buy land anywhere, it will appreciate in value. Over time, the results have shown that real estate does not always appreciate. And in this video, I'm going to uncover some of the hidden lies, the biggest lies Nigerians believe about real estate. That is not true. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am the billionaire realtor. I provide verified, safe and genuine properties with proper documentation. I save you from making costly mistakes in real estate. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and educative content like this. Before we dive in, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate all my clients home and abroad for trusting me with their money and investment, for investing in Cubana Millennium City, Asaba, Landview Phase 1 and Phase 2, Asaba, Westland Residence, Open Heaven, Greenview and some other amazing projects we have in Asaba. And to those that invested in Enugu and River State, I appreciate. Thank you for doing business with me, and I will keep serving you people. Thank you, Nigerians home and abroad. Let's dive in. Just go and buy land, it will always appreciate. That is the biggest lie in real estate. I will give you an example and I will also give you a reason, right? Nothing appreciates by itself. If you are not contributing to the appreciation of your land, someone else can be doing that, right? And then it will bring demand to your land. So there has to be a level of development, demand that will cause appreciation on your land. So land does not appreciate by itself. Let me give you an example. Before Dangote Refinery, you can get a plot of land in Ibeju with 3 million naira, 4 million, 5 million naira, depending on the area, right? But right now, some places are in Ibeju are selling for 20 million, 25, 30 million naira. It's because of the Dangote Refinery. Second example, in Asaba, because of Obi Cubana Millennium City in Obanam Delta State, right? You can get a plot of land for 10 million naira, 9 million naira in Obanam, very close to the Obi Cubana estate, before Obi Cubana Millennium City, before the launch. But right now, plot outside Obi Cubana estate is going for 25, 30, 40 million naira. So the presence of Obi Cubana estate brought development and price increase in that area. So land does not appreciate by itself. The final example is where we have Oka 2.0 by Anambra State government in Orumba North, right? So before government declared that location as the new face of Oka, you can get a plot of land for 1 million, 2 million naira. But right now, a plot of land is over 4 million naira, 5 million naira in that area. So land does not appreciate by itself. You need millions of naira to start investing in real estate. Yes, real estate is not a 1 naira or a 2 naira business, right? It costs millions of naira to acquire real estate, whether land or house. However, because of the payment plan structure, you can start with an initial deposit. The most important thing is for you to start investing, right? So if you meet up with the initial deposit of the land you want to buy, you can start investing. You don't need millions of naira to start investing in real estate. With 500,000 naira, 800, 900, you can start investing in real estate. So you don't need millions of naira. Instead of you to keep waiting and waiting till you have 1 million naira or millions of naira to invest, no, you can start with what you have. The most important thing is for you to start. 3. Real estate is only for the rich or older people. This is one of the mindsets that keep young people broke right now. They focus more on investing and buying liabilities instead of buying assets. Real estate is not only for the rich, it is a tool to make you rich, to make you wealthy, right? So real estate, in fact, young people should invest more in real estate than older people, because young people, they still have time, right? So at your old age, you will not be working anymore. You will be getting money, getting returns from what you invested when you were young. So real estate should be more of young people's investment, not for the older people or for the rich. It takes discipline to invest in real estate. So real estate is both for the rich, for the poor and also for the young people. Number 4 is just buy land, nothing will happen to it. Once your payment is complete, your land will be secured. It's a very big lie. In real estate, documentation is even more important than location, right? So you have to make sure that when you are investing in real estate, your documentation is intact. You ask for payment receipt, they give you a registered survey plan, a deed of assignment to a deed of conveyance, and then you perfect your title by getting a C of O. If the property has C of O already, you get governor's consent. If you are in Abuja, you get minister's consent. So documentation is everything in real estate. So make sure that you get the right documentation that secures your investment. If you are looking to invest in real estate in Asaba, in Anambra, in Enugu and Port Harcourt, all you have to do is to contact the number displayed above so that I can take you for a free site inspection and then guide you properly on the kind of investment that will fit your purpose, right? So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and educative content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.